Hey friends, if you wish to reinstall the audio drivers on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. So search for device manager and open device manager. Now there are two cases here. One is with the sound and video control drivers and the other one is with the audio and input drivers. Actually most of them are the same, but just for the to be on the safe side, we will right click and update all of them. Okay, right click and update all of these four, all as many as you have, and right click and update the sound and audio control drivers too. Okay, so this is one part about it. The next one is that if this doesn't work, which happens at times, just go and download it from the Intel website if you're using an Intel computer. So go to Intel audio drivers and then go to the Realtek audio high definition driver, because this is a little separate. Download it to your system, click on save as, save it, and then go to it and then right click on it and then select extract all and then select extract, and then you can run the setup here. I won't run it, otherwise it will change the audio drivers. And if you're using AMD, then simply search for AMD audio drivers. Okay, so we can simply use the AMD auto detect tool. I've realized that it is an excellent one for this job. Okay, so you can use this one. Though for AMD you will not need to download it and upload it from the website. I think that updating it from here is sufficient for AMD. I'm also using an AMD computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.